design.
So what are some design trends that you guys are seeing out there that you're maybe like not too sure about?
How about some design trends that I wish would go away, like
Okay.
the white, silver, and those lights that you just know that they bought for the flip.
Yeah.
The light fixtures. You just know. You
Yeah.
go walk in there, you're like,
Has no
"Yep, that's a flip."
personality.
Yeah.
It's just
It's in every single house. They're all
I
identical.
just saw the one right down
I
the
don't know. It's
street.
classic though. I mean,
Yeah.
Classic
The
circa
white.
the last 5 years or the past 7 years.
I don't know, but like, what are your thoughts when you walk into a house and you see like the navy blue island with like the gold handles? So you're like, oh, that's really pretty, or
Yeah.
like, ooh, that's gonna be outdated in 5
that's my
years.
exact thought because I'm like, God, I love navy blue as like a design, but I'm like,
Yeah, gold is out, has been out. I don't see it really coming back.
Dude, gold's back.
Yeah.
I would disagree.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what about wallpaper?
Wallpaper's back.
Wallpaper?
I
So
see that
trendy
coming.
right now.
Yeah.
yeah, and it's like old crazy wallpaper too,
Yeah.
like polka dots. And,
I just feel like the wallpaper, like all you're doing is like you're kicking the can down the road because in
Yeah.
5 years when it's out, you have to rip the wallpaper down, and it's such a big,
Have you ever tried to
different
take
process
that
than
stuff
painting.
down?
Well, but
Yeah.
there's different types of wallpaper now.
Right.
You got like the peel and stick where you can add a little bit like flair where it's not gonna rip off the walls necessarily
Yeah.
and take down.
That's-
Or Alex's story. Go ahead, tell the story.
So we put up some really pretty wallpaper in Addison's nursery.
Oh yeah.
And then one day I'm sitting on the phone in there, and all of a sudden I hear this noise, and it starts coming down off the wall. Thank God I
Like a
had like
ghost.
some pictures, and it was like didn't fall into the crib, and I was in there,
Yeah.
and so I like messaged the people I got the wallpaper from. They're like, oh, we don't recommend putting it in a nursery, in a kitchen, in a living room.
On a wall.
Any of the walls where you use
I
your
was like,
home.
so where am
Any
I supposed to
vertical
put
surface.
this?
Yeah.
It's
But it
actually
was
called
beautiful.
"Don't Put It Where You Live" wallpaper.
Yeah, it's funny.
So, but now if you
Yeah.
do the peel and stick, definitely make sure you put like a little nail in the corners to like
Okay.
make sure it stays there, and
To
doesn't fall
secure
down.
it,
So peel and
That's a good
stick.
idea. Because I just had a client literally say they were gonna put the peel and stick in their nursery.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. So do it in the corners.
I know a lot of people have been doing that.
Yeah.
We walk into houses and see wallpaper that's old, and they go, "Oh, that looks cool. We probably want to keep that." And I'm like, "What is happening with wallpaper?"
Yeah, but like it used to be when it started coming back a couple years ago. It was like very like classy, very like
Yeah.
subtle. You're like, oh, is that like paint on there? Is it
Yeah.
texture? But now it's like the bold,
Circus tent.
bright.
Yeah.
Especially like in powder rooms, people are getting like very vibrant.
Yeah.